Students may be out for summer, but one local school and a corporate partner are already working together to prepare for next year and keep them safe. The Lamb of God School is celebrating 40 years of education this year.
We just had our biggest year ever. We had 188 students this year. We are kindergarten to 8th grade, and this was our biggest year so far. So the kids, you're right, we love them. They're the most important people. They're why we're here. And to keep everyone safe is a top priority for us.
John Messina is the school's headmaster.
Some months ago, we began planning to install security cameras around the building. And we began shopping for cameras, and we have a IT team that could handle that. But we consulted with somebody who is a grandfather at our school. Clint Feltz put his own 5 kids through the school, and now he has grandchildren here. And he is with this company, Convergent, and they began helping us with this project, began donating cameras and mounting hardware. And today, they sent over 40 people, volunteers, to do the labor, to install the cameras and do anything else we asked for. They're doing yard work, they're painting, they're cleaning, they're carrying furniture around. It's amazing.
That grandfather at the school that the headmaster mentioned is also the technical operations manager at Convergent.
I've known the school from its conception. I have 5 children who went from kindergarten through 8th grade. They're all grown now. I have 2 grandchildren, and a 3rd one will start next year. So have a personal touch with the school. It's just a great blessing today to be able to take the Convergent Social Responsibility Day and give to the community, put safety around the school. We're putting cameras all around the perimeter, and that's really what we're doing today.
Convergent Technologies is a global leader in security system installations, service, as well as fire, life safety, and cybersecurity.
Darren Parkinson is general manager of Convergent.
The Step Up program was created by Convergent in 2018. It was designed to help schools make their schools safer for both the students, the educators, as well as the local community. Convergent's founders over 22 years ago felt a big part of the culture they wanted to establish was about giving back to the community, and this is a way to give back to the community. In fact, just today we have over 9,200 colleagues that are giving across the globe in the neighborhood of $3 million back to their local communities. This isn't the only site where we're working within the DMV. We have 4 other sites around the DMV between the Baltimore area and the Washington, D.C. area where we're giving back to the community. In fact, in Frederick, Maryland, right now we have about 45 colleagues that are building beds for children who don't have beds to sleep in. So it's not just about schools, it is about the greater community and how we can help.
Here at the Lamb of God School, today will give everyone added peace of mind come fall when school is back in session.
This helps us to feel safer. It helps to give the parents more assurance that we're taking care of their kids. I think it's something that will continue to attract new people to our school. We love our students, and these people are all very generous, very giving. One of them was down in a storm drain, a woman working down in a storm drain where it's all muddy, and she got down in there and cleaning. People have been up on ladders, trimming hedges. They're all such good people, and it's a real blessing to us.
For more information on maybe how you can get your school involved, go to convergent.com/stepup. We'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.